CRs that are developed during conditioning may be the best ones in helping an organism get ready for the US. This is very broad and not precise about the form that the CR will take. The two levels of activation can sometimes control different responses. The important thing is that the CS will activate the US node in A2. Morphine injections at first suppress rat activity, but it gives way to a rebound effect that is elevated above the baseline. The SOP prediction is clear that CS-morphine pair should allow the CS to evoke and elevate activity when it is tested on its own. Rats received a morphine injection in a test apparatus or in its cage. A control group received saline in the test apparatus. We need to analyze this UR in more detail and recognize that the CR will match the second component. Presenting a US causes a multitude of physiological responses. For a response to be a UR, it needs to be mediated by the central nervous system. When talking about drugs, this definition can be confusing. When responses are caused by neural activity, the CR will look the same as the UR. Pupil dilation and salivation can be conditioned at the same time because of this. The second one is a compensatory response. A behavior system is a set of behaviors that is organized around biological functions and goals. This can include goals such as foraging, chasing, and sex. Once a behavior system is engaged, stimuli in the environment provide support for behaviors to continue. The system is hierarchical organized so that higher functions have specific benefits and functions that subserve them. Predatory imminence in the case of rats is where a stimulus switches the rat between modes in the likelihood that the rat will encounter a predator. This is important on a clinical level when learning about panic attacks, which can lead to agoraphobia. This may be because panic attacks are reinforced by internal stimuli, such as rapid heartbeat and shallow breathing.